Mzansi, I did not want to talk about EFF, Malema, as if I'm having a hatred against EFF or Malema, or I have any personal issues with EFF. Guys, this thing of attacking us when we talk, when we are raising our concerns as citizens in South Africa, and you feel like Tina, you want to make a content, you want to make money, you decampaigning EFF, you want to make money from TikTok. Your comments and what you are attacking me with is bullshit. I'm just an ordinary citizen. I always say that. Right. If we've been there with EFF for quite a long time, even when things were done in a wrong way, but we were giving CIC the support. Let me show you what is the meaning of decampaigning. If you turn your back against the South Africans, we will turn our back against you and start to show you we are bad. If you are a leader, you need to stand to be corrected. You are a leader because of us. If you are a leader who is turning us in a mockery, making a joke about our weaknesses in South Africa, what kind of a leader you are? And you people, you expect us to keep quiet. Everyone has got a right to public opinion. Everyone has got a right to freedom of expression in terms of Section 16 of our Constitution. So I'm going to talk. When people, they talk because you politicians, you have money, you have the right to sue us for defamation of character. Do as you wish, because we on the ground, we are poor, we don't have money. Even when you are being sentenced for 5 years, concurrent years, you still outside. When someone has done the similar offense, that particular person, uyangena ngaphakathi. You think we don't see that, and we should keep quiet in regards with that. We should keep quiet. Let me show you. Don't turn our back on us as leaders. We will turn our back against you. We've been there with CIC for quite a long time. Let me show you that Dallas Begezela Masimba. But we've been there. Let's talk expropriation of land. Do you know that we at EFF, expropriation of land, for how it was preached and for how it was conducted? Let us leave the issue of having issues with apartheid and whatsoever, like expropriation of land being preached as if it's a mode of attack against the white people, white minority. No, as a manner of retaliation of apartheid system. The good way to do it, how to do it. It can't be correct, fellow South Africans. People being told that expropriate the land, identify the vacant land, take it by force. Let me tell you, people, they did that. Nah? People, they did that. People, they occupied that land, the land. People, they know. If I'm lying, someone must tell me that, gee, you are lying. People, they've been occupied the land, forcefully so, without consulting with the private owner of the land, whether it's a white or black person. Right. People build shacks, build houses. There comes the owner of the land. Apply for eviction. People, they don't want to evict the land. Why? Because they had a hope that EFF will stand with them. Now, the owner of the land enforced the eviction by doing what? bringing the bulldozers to demolish. You know what happened? The bulldozers will demolish the houses of the people, the shacks of the people. The people will remain homeless. The people will remain shelterless. Tell me if I'm wrong. Did EFF apply contingency plan to assist those people with temporary houses? Huh? Show me, tell me one incident where EFF, where people have occupied the land unlawfully so. After those houses and shacks being demolished, EFF applied a temporary plan, contingency plan, to assist those people with temporary houses. Show me one. Okay, it's fine. I was just passing by to show that we've been there with CIC. Noma bega better. CIC in parliament, even if he was radical, yes, he's good, he's brave, he has a political wisdom, but as a leader, stand to be corrected. The manner of approach, how you address things, show some respect. We are wrong to say that. I'm radical. You need to be radical. No. In parliament, there are elders there. I want to show you, you turn your back against us, we'll turn our back against you and show you that Dalasi now will no more better. Don't turn your back on us. In parliament, there are elders there in ANC. ANC, I got them with balls. I got them with balls. Hey, we must say, see, I see, ha. It's a joke. We have kids. Tomorrow, those kids, they're going to tell us they got us with balls. Those are the things that leaders, we should correct you. Have the manner of approach. Even if you can have facts, but the manner of approach on how you address things, it's important. On social media, talking about Fikile Mbalula, Magatagio Yazichamel. Ninamanga. Those are the things we should listen to from our leader who is being recognized by the whole world. Even if you can have facts, even if you can have political wisdom, even if you can be a good politician, have the manner of approach on how you address issues. The expropriation of land, how it was supposed to be done, was it wrong? As EFF to say, EFF, leaders, citizens of South Africa, identify a non-productive land. After doing that, get to know who is the owner. Once you know who is the owner, consult with the municipality, get to know who is the owner of that land. Once you know who is the owner of that land, EFF will assist you with the legal representative to do consultations with the owner of the land. So the owner of the land, we can have a deal, we can settle a deal to hand over the land to the people for human settlement in a proper manner. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? Who said it's not like Afrikaners, they don't want to hand over the land? No, the manner of approach, they feel being attacked and all that. We still want to bring violence in South Africa. We still want to bring apartheid back against the white people. No. Manner of approach. There is the other Gamla there, the white person there by Trichard. He's sharing the land with the whites there, with the blacks there. You can go there and check. There by Trichard, Sekunda. He's sharing the land with the blacks there. It's wrong, good people. Our leaders, they must tend to be corrected. I'm not looking for, like the guys are taking me. No, when you want to be popular, when I push a content. I'm not a content creator. Leaders must tend to be corrected. We are South Africans. We voted for you. When we were crying about corruption in South Africa here, Mkhwanazi, as a whistleblower, what did the president do? Didn't the president take action and appointed Madlanga Commission? That's what we want. If you are a leader, stand to be corrected and implement measures with immediate effect. That's it.
We now all agree that Julius Malema will never be president in South Africa. Seems like that guy doesn't understand the dynamics of politics. As much as we love the EFF and as much as Bona Usi Manifesto EFF, it speaks for us, it speaks to us, it speaks about us. But Julius will never be president in South Africa. Like everyone, like it can't be with everyone doesn't want illegal foreigners in South Africa and then upmade one island. Bro, as a politician, when you don't tell the people what's good for them. The will of the people goes. We cannot tell you what's in a funnel banana. Also, the banana is not good for you. I'm going to need the apple because the apple is ginger. No. It's actually also for nyama yenhloko, nyama yenhloko ngeke ilana. Ngono sidle inyama yengwenya because it keep honestly. In politics, the will of the people goes. So that guy doesn't understand the dynamics of politics and it's times of elections and then I feel sorry for those EFF members who've been working the ground. Those ones who've been working on the ground, because he's decampaigning the EFF and they are busy defending him. Joe, we as South Africans, we love Julius. And we used to think that Julius is our only hope in South Africa. But bro, that oak will never be president in our country. That guy will never lead us.
I wonder what changed with Mr. Julius Malema. He has to go to his page on Twitter. He will always post a video where South Africa is marching and where it seems like they are trying to deal with a foreigner who's illegally in the country or doing all the wrong things, he will post that video. He will make sure he posts it. But when those foreigners are caught with drugs and all those things, caught doing wrong things, he will never post that. He will always try to criticize South Africans for fighting their country and favors the foreign nationals. You guys will see this guy, that this guy is Usomatuba, Tatama chances. He always try to trend in a certain thing, and he will never be the South African president. Then those puppets are or student command or EFF student command, they will go around viral protecting him, try to distract the mind of the youth of South Africa. EFF is at another mission which is not helping this country but uplifting the foreigners who are illegally in the country. Those foreigners who are kidnapping and doing all those sorts of human trafficking. You can't be telling me with yonke video where there is a foreigner he would post this. But when a foreigner is caught with drugs, he will never post. But when also a foreigner, the case Putumas, Uprima he was kidnapped by foreigners, he never posted that. He always posts things that will defend foreign national, things that will make South Africa look as a country as xenophobic when it comes to some African countries. He will always do so. I wonder what changes his mind, because long time ago, this guy was straight. Why should some foreigners are no longer coming here with scarce skills and so forth, but they're coming here to loot the resources of the country. Suddenly manje use pan-Africanist yena manje usethi bonke abantu abeze South Africa bengenamaphepha, usesho zonke ukuthi abantu abala South Africa abangenamaphepha abanikeza amaphepha, including abantu abahambe benza amacala emazweni abo, babulala ingane babaleke and all those things. This country is not for Malema and his puppets. This country is for South African. I don't care even those who are trying to trend and trying to protect Umalema and we never be quiet when we see that our country is falling and some of South African leaders are siding with our criminals that are foreign nationals that are on our country. The government must enforce the laws. We don't care. South Africa is not for Malema and his family or for EFF and all those puppets. It's not for them, it's for everyone who is South African. And we will do everything to protect this country. I wonder why UNDLOS behambile nje lapha ku-EFF. UNDLOS noShivam bangabantu aba-right with them on EFF. EFF was doing izinto eyi-right. Kwakubuyela nje uMalema ubuye disrespect. Wabona umuntu ofuna ukuba president ubuye disrespect, ubuye kuhlaphaze ngekhuluma. So ngiyabona ukuthi bahambelana UNDLOS lapha. Sengiyabona nje UNDLOS bahambelana. Nami ngiyibona ngiwuhlalela nje lo wamsanga noMalema.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. People are sending messages to Umalema and my members. Okay, people are saying because my members are Malema, they always disrespect them, especially mabega mibono yabo ukuthi uCIC wabo udefender ma foreigners and that he will never be president of South Africa. People are always saying ukuthi wrong lokho CIC right umuntu right bantu nje nabamzondela into lengekho, and people are saying ukuthi bantu bamalema they must stop attacking us uma sikhuluma liqiniso enkundleni yokuxhumana. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.